Hey guys, it's Mel. Today I'm going to show you a video of me sorting my death pile and getting ready to photograph and list it. Okay, so since moving house, I've got a whole heap of boxes in my death pile and I need to get back listing. It's been a couple of months since I've done some heavy listing. So at the moment, I know that DVDs and media are selling really well. So I want to make sure I get them listed as quick as I can. So I've got this big box here of all these DVDs and CDs, and I'm not 100% what's in it. Some of them I've had for a very long time sitting there gathering dust, and but I do think that now is the right time to list them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort them into piles, children's, series, and just see what I've got in this box, and then I'm going to start trying to photograph it. Okay, so I've sorted them into piles. So I've got a couple of piles here of kids DVDs. I've got some PlayStation games. I've got a few sets of series here. The 70 Shows, 2.5 Men, Friday Night Lights, Big Bang Theory, Step Up 1 and 2, a few random things. Over here I have a Game of Thrones, complete seasons 1 to 4. That looks like it's worth quite a bit of money. Some VHS tapes, and I have got a copy of Nashville and a copy of Heart of Dixie, which are two of my most favorite series ever. So it looks like both the second season, both great seasons. I've also got some Christian living CDs. So these are like CD sets. I've got a series down here, 1, 2, and 3. Christian Life. Yeah, and yeah. Anyway, I've never sold Christian CDs. However, I do sell an awful lot of Bibles. So I bought them to give them a try, and who knows, maybe during the virus, everybody is catching up on their faith. But anyway, now it's time. Now I've put them into piles. I've got the series sorted. I'll sell the series as a bulk lot, I think, rather than individually. And time to photograph. Let's go. I've worked up a bit of a sweat. Wow, I haven't photographed for a while, so yeah, anyway, I was going pretty fast because I'm running out of time and I need to go and pack my orders for the day. But the worst part about DVDs is when you buy them at the op shops and they've got those little stickers on them. Sometimes they're just so hard to pick off. So if you can get your DVDs from Facebook Marketplace or somewhere of the like that doesn't have all those little stickers, you're going to save some time. I will quickly go through before I list all these and just run my eyes over all the discs. I do check them when I'm in the shops buying them to make sure they're not scratched. But before I list them again, I will just sit here at the table and quickly just check the discs again because I don't want to sell any that have got scratches or anything. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for me photographing the DVDs. I will load them all up to the computer tonight, edit the photos, which will be pretty quick, and get those up listed as soon as I can. So yeah, there you go. One box of my death pile is gone.